I'm in grade 5 and I have been here for 3 years.
I have been in PSI for 6 years and I'm in 5th grade.
First, when I saw where it said a place where we belong, I didn't understand it, but now I understand and I see how much they try to make me comfortable, and they give me a lot of supplies so I can do my work comfortably.
Well, to me it means that when new students come, that they should feel comfortable and that they will be they can easily join in and feel comfortable. Well, I first came to PSI to kindergarten, so it's my first school, but when I first came, after the first day, I already was comfortable with all of the class and I easily made friends.
The people were really nice to me and they welcomed me, and the people were very kind and I easily made friends. My favorite subject in my class is math, because it's really fun and you get to work with people and you get to share your ideas.
Well, my favorite subject is probably writing, because when we write about also the topic that we want to, I like to make up stories that I find interesting. My best moment with my classmates was probably when we did the interviews. It wasn't with all the classmates, but we still went through the process of getting everyone's interview organized. I liked it because we were all in big groups and we also had a chance to mix with the other class, so it kind of bonded, I guess, students together more.
I remember when I started to, I don't know what happened, but I started to get good at math, and all of a sudden fractions became easy for me, and that was a big moment for me because now I can do this math easily, and I'm happy. I think it's basketball because it's really fun, and for me, I don't like doing warm-ups, and they don't have any warm-ups, so it's fun.
I used to have this after-school activity. It was gymnastics, and I really enjoyed it because we did it in the gym, and there was a lot of space to do all the moves. Probably one of the best moments was when this year we were doing also a free inquiry, and that I had the opportunity to research about the topic that I was interested in.
It was about when I interviewed, so I think it was Mr. Boole, the IT manager of my group, and we were doing this project about interviews, and I got to experience what it's like to do an interview, and it was really fun. Well, I could say that the teachers are really nice and they try their best.
Well, I would like to mention that if you join in whatever grade, PSI students will still make you feel comfortable and be friends with you, and teachers also will support you. Welcome to PSI.